Share My Location is not working on your iPhone, don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step. Make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone help. First go to Settings, then tap Privacy and Security. Make sure Location Services is turned on. If it's off, turn it back on right away. Next, go back to the Settings homepage and check if you are signed in to iCloud. If you see a sign in option at the top, tap it and log into your Apple ID. Plus scroll down and find the Find My app. You can also search for it in Settings. Tap on Find My and make sure Share My Location is turned on. Also tap Find My iPhone and turn on all the options inside. Still not working? Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap Screen Time. Then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure it's turned off. Restrictions here can block location sharing. As a final quick reset, open Control Center, turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your connection and can fix location bugs. If this solved the issue, hit like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes.